everyone. Happy 4th of July if you live in America. I guess if not, well then happy Monday because yeah. But we live in the US, so we celebrate the 4th of July.
Happy 4th.
And I thought I'd do a little video. We're gonna go watch some fireworks. So Nesta gets to celebrate her first 4th of July. I thought we'd go ahead and show some videos of her enjoying the fireworks and stuff, and thought this would be a cute little video. So yeah, she's got her cute little 4th of July bow on and her cute little star-spangled top, Robbie stop. So yeah, let's go watch some fireworks. What, Dad? Here's Miss Nesta enjoying some fireworks. They should be shooting off. Whoops! There's some right there. So we have like 5 minutes before the fireworks start here. I'm holding her now because I just thought it'd be easier to hold her instead of just showing her in the car seat. And there's a bunch of fireworks going off everywhere, but the ones we're waiting for start at 9:30, but everywhere else is just kind of throwing them off like they're residential people and stuff. So this will be really fun. It's been really fun so far, so hope this video is enjoyable for y'all.
Perfect. Jeffrey! All right, you guys, fireworks are all done and we are ending our night coming to Buc-ee's if my boyfriend ever hurries up. But we're coming to Buc-ee's because I wanted some ice cream, so I thought Buc-ee's would be the best place to get some ice cream. So we're gonna go into Buc-ee's. I'm gonna carry her in. So this is the end of our little video though. I hope you guys enjoyed our little firework display. I hope everything was enjoyable. It was probably a really simple, quick video, but hey, you know what? Whatever. But anyways, we'll see you guys next time for our next video. Bye!